Hi guys, I hope you are all well. Today we'll be talking about the pentatonic scales. So the C pentatonic scale is made up of the C, D, E, G, and A. So how do you play it? You use these three fingers, 1, 2, 3. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. When you're coming back to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So the pentatonic is a 5-note scale made up of 5 notes on the key of C. That is C, D, E, G, A. And then you can actually use this C pentatonic on when you are playing your 1 chord, or you are playing your 4 chord, or you are playing your 5 chord. You can use it on the 1 and the 4. It's mostly used on the 1 and the 4. So let's say you have a song and you're going to the 4, 1. So on the 1, see? So you can use it to build some nice licks. So maybe on the 4, so now on the 4, let's say that's a G pentatonic. So remember the pentatonic scale. And also remember, scales are actually building blocks for chords. So, which brings me to the modes. We'll be dealing with modes in the next class. We'll be doing with Ionian, the Mixolydian, the Aeolian, the Phrygian. You know, like a C Ionian chord is like a C Ionian mode is this. While a C Mixolydian uh, um, a C mixolydian mode is. Oh, sorry. and a C Hegelian. So I hope that helps. So remember, you can use your pentatonic scale on the 1 and on the 5, on the 4. I hope that helps.